Whoa, no need to get all worked up, Patrick. I see you're struggling with your Excel files. Not so easy to run behind the whole company to update them, huh? Come on, Patrick. Your business deserves better. Use RowShare instead. RowShare is the tool you need to collect, consolidate, and analyze your data. Based on one of our templates, share your table without revealing everything. Decide who sees what. Your contributors enter their information only on the relevant lines, while you keep sight of the big picture. Easily visualize and analyze all your data in real time. A new tool again? No, Patrick, let me stop you right there. You won't be starting from scratch with RowShare. All you have to do is import your spreadsheets, and that's it. Even Richard, who struggles with screen sharing before every meeting, will adopt it. And you won't be left all on your own. RowShare provides customized support throughout your use of the tool. We can even help you transform your Excel file or restructure your data. A real game changer, right? Your business deserves better than Excel. Request your demo now.